All right, so on the west, this is Olivia, and it's the city of Pennington, Belton. And the first thing we taught a reverse roll in the basic. The basic is 1 fret, 2 turn, 3 and 4 hold 5 and 6 under out 7 and 8 without stopping in 1, 2, 3 and 4 on 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Then we added to that, we added one sway and take over here. 1 fret, 2 and a 3 and sway 5 over 6 and it's 7, 8 for me, 7 and 8 for her. We'll move to this side. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and a 5 over 6, 7, 8. Then we did a regular roll in to get out of this position. To use the left over right crossing position, we went 1 fret, 2 over 3 and 4. Notice that I traveled with her. I'm just going to release this hand and send her out. 7 and 5 and 6. Right? So yeah, 7 for 6. 1, 2, 3 and let her out 5 and 6. That's what we did tonight, guys. Thank you. Thank you very, very much. Hey.